Hello everyone, I have been working on my desktop warfare weapons, and here we have 4 little catapults. These are my first early prototypes for castle defense. They all have little trigger sticks which fire them, and they launch giant lawn darts. Or actually these are just thumbtacks, but this is a tiny scale model. Anyway, I've got a few different designs. This one has a heavy metal base from an optical drive. These ones use expired batteries as the counterweights, and they all run on a single rubber band by pulling the little trigger stick. We've got a little arsenal of tiny catapults for defending something. I don't know, maybe Gerald took your stapler again. Oh, here we go. Oh dear, 1 second. I'm just test firing them all. You just take some ammo, you load it in, a little thumbtack missile. And then, yar! Oh my goodness, that was so loud. It went whoosh. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. I've been mass producing these tiny little catapults, which are very cheap. They barely take any monies to make. I use used matchboxes and the ice block sticks that I eat for breakfast. And each of them have different angles for different angles of attack. As you can see here, we've got the whole range of angles for attack. So we've got the spiky downward pointing one, which is for if you're mounting it from a high ground area and you want to shoot down. And then we've got this one, which is for like a horizontal but still sort of arching down. And then we've got this one, which is also sort of for attacking things that are like over there. And then we've got this one for getting over the top of really high walls, or maybe like a skyscraper or something. You just need to get the bullet like way over a big wall. This thing will send it on a 45-degree angle and get maximum range. But it has a little bit less power because it's been cut off slightly prior, so I've changed the angling a bit. They just run on these little bulldog clips as the pivot hinge, and they use a singular rubber band as a little power source. It's very basic, but they're pretty cool. That's my little fun hobby.